Hello, this is Stephen and Anita here. So, if you've been following us, you may already know, possibly a little bit about us and our background. You're here because you're looking for a change, no doubt, and whatever that may look like to you guys. We're all different, and we all have our stories to tell. So for us, me and Nita, when we were younger, about 30, 40 years ago, we had big plans for our future, but they never really materialised. That is up until a few months ago when we started getting great results from this online business.
And now we want to help you get to where you've envisioned your life to be by sharing some of the best resources, tools and videos that have enabled us to have a successful online business. And this in turn has enabled us to discover what freedom actually means to the pair of us. So by subscribing to our list below and entering your details, we'll give you access to the same resources, tools and videos so that you can do your due diligence and go and see if this is something that interests you or not. And firstly, what we'll do, we'll send you a 4-part workshop video series, and here you'll be introduced to our mentor, Stuart. And we're so passionate about sharing his expertise with you because, quite frankly, what Stuart doesn't know about online marketing, it's not worth knowing, is it?
Really there is, isn't he?
Yeah. So these workshops will give you a greater understanding of online marketing and whether this could work for you.
After receiving those workshops, guys, we will then share with you other motivational snippets that have really helped us in our journey from transitioning out of this traditional world across into the online world. And you really deserve to live your life to the full, feeling contented and happy, experiencing new things. This is exactly what we know this space can do for you.
And we just need you to know that all you've got to do is take that initial first step and sign up to our list below. And we'll be waiting on the other side to help you.
We sure will. Thanks very much.
Bye.
Bye bye.